Need cash fast in Singapore? A personal loan can hit your account in minutes, but only if you apply the right way. Here's the quick version. First, are you even eligible? You usually need to be 21 or older and be a Singaporean PR or EP holder. As far as income goes, you need to earn at least 20 to 30,000 a year if you're local, or 40,000 a year for foreigners. And here's the MAS rule. Your total unsecured debt across all banks can't exceed 12 times your monthly income. Tick those boxes, you're good to go. Next, the paperwork. You'll need your NRIC or passport, your latest payslips and proof of address. Self-employed? Bring your notice of assessment. The good news, log in with Singpass and Myinfo, and most of these autofills, including your CPF data. Now, how to get a personal loan? 1. Compare loans on platforms like MoneySmart. And know your cap. Most banks will only lend you 4 to 6 times your monthly income, so don't request more than that. 2. Check your CBS credit report. If it's weak, fix it before you apply. 3. Submit your application through Singpass and Myinfo, the fastest, cleanest route. 4. When the loan agreement lands, read it properly. Look at the ERR, not the flat rate. The ERR includes processing fees and shows your true costs. Then, check the late charges before you sign. And the number 1 tip, don't apply to multiple banks in the same week. Every hard credit pool affects your CPS score. Ready to compare? Hit the link below for the best personal loan rates on MoneySmart.